Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change default important level in Outlook. So it is very easy to change it default. So first you need to click on start and here you see this Outlook. So open it if does you not see. So click on all apps and in this list you find this Outlook. Yeah, this one. So open it and simple and easy way simply search Outlook and open it. Now click on this file icon, this now option. So this type of screen will be open. You need to click on this first, the second option mail. Just click on it and scroll down and this sent message default important level. Click on this drop down and select low and high and also select normal. So you select anyone which you like. So change it default. I will select this normal way. Now click on OK. So very easily you can change default important level on in Outlook. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel and share this video to all your friends. Thanks for watching.